Hey, yo. I'm just shooting up this wall now in a white tile. Everyone's using these white tiles, I tell you, because they're a good price. They're a good price, and they're you know, they're square cut. So they're nice and accurate. The walls, it's not exactly super flat, but you can't do much about it. You can't go straightening it when there's a kitchen on the other side. See that gap there? Yeah, well, it's this wall's a little bit up to shit, but it'll come right. You know, there's a lot of in a perfect world, DIYs, your wall is exactly beautiful and flat and plumb. Nah, that's all bullshit. You just see that in the movies. I'm telling you now. That one had a bit of glue on it. Chuck it out. So I'll clip these together and then I'll adjust it with a rubber hammer, give it a whack. No. Where is my trowel? It's good. Okay, I'm going to carry on up and then I'll cut in my cuts each end. Hey yo! Sorry about the flickering, people, but I can't do anything about it. I need the lights on. Sorry. It's like we're in a disco. What I'm doing is running up there, I'm marking my cuts. So number them off. See how I'm doing it, you guys? Because see that, when you turn it over and your cut edge goes to the corner, that's the top. So you turn it around, whooshka, see? Follow that cross. It's down the bottom there. I'm marking it there. Oh, hang on. Marking it there. That's the bottom. That's the top. When it comes around, it's the top. 3.4. See that? That's number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Just like that. Just like that, people. I haven't got much to go now. Once I go up there, like I just zapped this architrave. Once I go up there, I can then go around there. That's half an hour to do that. I'll probably have some lunch. Then I've only got these niches to do. And we're laughing. Okay, I'll just pop these in. I'll turn my radio back on. See you soon. See this? It pokes the subscribe button. See ya.